Hey guys, Kia from KegLand, and very excited to announce we're launching our new brand of spirit flavors. This is under the Impressence brand name. So if you're not aware of what a spirit flavor is, essentially what you do is you start off with an alcoholic base like vodka and essentially pour one of these sachets into that to make the spirit that you're after. Now some of these are liqueurs, some of these are whiskeys, we've got a whole range of different spirits. Essentially the range of what we got here is growing rapidly at the moment as we get more and more of these packed down into sachet. I'll also say we have spared absolutely no expense on the ingredients. We've gone for the best ingredients and sourced them from throughout the globe. A lot of these are coming from places like Europe or France or over in Netherlands. We're shipping them over to Australia and essentially compounding these locally. We're trying to use the true flavors as much as possible. So where we can find, real orange for the triple sec, we do that. Where we can find real gin, real juniper berries to basically get that extract for the gin, we do that. Or we're using real oak and things like real peat for the whiskeys. So wherever possible, we're using the real natural ingredient. There are some synthetic flavors and some natural flavors, but as much as possible, wherever we can get the good, natural, genuine ingredient we have. Now, I don't want to discourage you guys from also making a lot of these products from scratch. We've got a growing brand, I'll also say, in the polyphenics area, where we're bringing out a whole lot of cool new commercial pot stills. We've got also modular bubble cappers as well, and reflux stills and things like gin baskets, and also some really cool automation for distillation as well. So if you really want to further your hobby in distillation, I would totally encourage you to go down that path and really get into making these products from scratch. But for an easy way to fill up that cocktail bar, these are a great option if you want to make a bunch of different spirits. Maybe you want to mix up a keg for a party you got coming up. I think these are an awesome option. Anyway, I'll show you how the mixing works and let's get into it. So it's a really simple process when you're making any of the spirits like this. Essentially just start off with a container which is obviously over 1.25 litres, because all these sachets will make 1.25. Then what you do is you pour in your neutral base. Now depending on the actual particular sachet, you'll have to pour in a different amount. You've got things like, for instance, Kahlua, which is not 40% alcohol. So you might have to top that one up with a little bit of water to water it down. We've got schnapps, for instance, where you might want to top that up with a bit of sugar if you want a bit of a sweeter type of schnapps. Or you've got things like Baileys, which require a little bit of a creamer, and that'll a separate creamer base you buy separately. But to make the whiskies, they're really straightforward. Essentially, you start off with the pack. So I've got this Irish whiskey flavour here, and just pour that in, and literally I just give that a little bit of a shake. And there I go, I've literally done the job. So could not be any easier than that. There you have it, we have 2 bottles of Keys, Jameson whiskey, or Irish whiskey I should say rather, that I can keep one for myself and give one to a friend. And it only took me a few moments to make this. If you guys want us to focus on any particular other, flavors in the future, definitely put them in the comments below and we'll make sure we prioritize those ones. As I said, we've got heaps more which are on the horizon, so we've got a growing list of them which are being released. Please try them out. Also, when you do try them out, put them in the comments below. Let us know what you think of them. I'd love to get some feedback. We always love hearing about our customers. If you guys want us to tweak it to make it more oaky or peaty or whatever, we'll certainly take that into account and we'll make sure we come out with a new one like that if we get enough requests. All right, and sign up to our Facebook group. We've got a growing number of people on our homebrew community group, so jump on that one. And also subscribe now, bottom right hand corner, hit subscribe so you can hear about all the cool new distillation hardware that's coming out really soon under the Polyphenics brand name. All right, thanks for that, and see you guys next time. Bye.